In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a photo album with music and automatic transitions using Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're commemorating a special event or simply wanting to showcase cherished memories, creating a photo album with PowerPoint is both easy and fun. Let's dive straight in. First, open your Microsoft PowerPoint application. You'll want a fresh canvas to begin crafting your photo album masterpiece. So start by opening a new presentation. With the blank presentation ready, you'll see the familiar PowerPoint interface before you. Next, navigate to the top menu bar where you'll find the Insert tab. Click on it and you'll be presented with a range of options. Among these, you'll notice the photo album option. Go ahead and select that. This is where the magic begins. The photo album feature allows for the seamless integration of images from your device into PowerPoint. Once you've clicked the photo album option, a new dialog box will appear. Here, you'll need to add the images you'd like to include in your album. Click on the File Disk button to browse your computer's files. You'll want to navigate through your folders and select the photos you feel are most significant for your album. You can select multiple images by holding down the Ctrl key on your keyboard while clicking. Now that your photos are imported, the next essential aspect is to add some music. Music can enormously enhance the atmosphere and emotion of your photo album. But before doing this, ensure your images are shuffled into the order that tells your story best. Once satisfied with the arrangement, return to the Insert menu. From here, instead of returning to the photo album section, you'll want to scroll along the Insert tab and find the audio button to add sound. You can choose to use audio from your file or record your voice. When you choose audio on my PC, a dialog box will pop up for you to select an audio file. Pick a song that complements your album's theme and insert it into your presentation. With the photos and music in place, the final touch is adding automatic transitions. This is what gives your album a fluid, professional feel. Click on the Transitions tab in the top menu. Here you'll be greeted with a range of transition effects. Select and apply the one that suits your mood and presentation style. After selecting your desired transition, ensure you select Apply to All to maintain consistency. To top it off, adjust the timing of your transitions. You can find this setting in the Timing section on the Transitions tab. Here you'll see the option to automatically advance slides after a certain length of time. Tailor this to fit the duration of your music and the pace at which you want your audience to view the slides. And there you have it, a dynamic photo album with music and automatic transitions ready to share with friends and family. Whether you're presenting at a large family reunion or a quiet gathering with loved ones, this album is sure to impress. Thank you for joining me and happy creating.